Welcome to The Explainer. Today we're looking at SpaceX's wild plan for a self-sustaining city on Mars. And nope, this isn't just sci-fi. SpaceX has an actual roadmap to make this happen by 2050. Okay, here's our agenda. We'll break it down into 5 key phases, from the first challenges to the final city. So first up, the Martian challenge. We have to understand just how tough this is. Total self-sufficiency is the goal. The distance alone is a huge problem. You can't just call Earth for supplies. The colony has to survive alone. Plus, the planet itself is trying to kill you. It's colder, drier, and bathed in radiation. Just brutal. Okay, so because it's so dangerous, we're not sending people first. Say hello to the robotic vanguard. It all starts as soon as 2026 with a scout fleet, then a much bigger one in 2028 to build everything. So how will they do it? Section 3. Living off the land. The robots will build factories to use Martian resources. And the number one resource? Water ice. It's not just for drinking, it's the key to everything else. Now here's where it gets really clever. They'll take that water, split the molecules, and boom, breathable oxygen. But what about getting home? You can't exactly pack a return ticket's worth of fuel, right? The answer? You make the fuel right there on Mars, using hydrogen from the ice and carbon from the air. All right, with air and fuel sorted, it's time for the main event. The first humans could arrive as early as 2030. And they're not coming in a single ship. We're talking a massive fleet of 100 starships packed with people and cargo. Now, humans use way more power than robots. So job number 1 is building a massive power plant. And forget those sci-fi glass domes. The first homes will probably be inflatables covered in a thick layer of ice. But what about bigger buildings? Well, for that, you need Martian concrete. And the main ingredient is weird. Yep, biocrete. It's a super strong material made from Martian soil and astronaut pee. Use everything, right? Okay, on to the final, and maybe the hardest part of all. How do you feed everyone? You can't just plant potatoes. The soil itself is actually toxic to plants. It's full of nasty chemicals. So you need a whole industry just to clean the soil. Then you fertilize it with composted human waste. And once you have all that, water, air, power, shelter, and food, you've got a truly self-sustaining city. This is the moment humanity's future is no longer tied to just one planet. We become a multi-planet species. But this is just the beginning. The real question is, once we've conquered Mars, what's next?